Good morning guys, Bill here, KRAVE Automotive. Today is May 30th, 2026 and it is open house day. We are extremely excited to have this day here because we've got some awesome vendors, an awesome booth, and awesome trucks on display. So starting with our own 2024 Tacoma, we have got Davidson's MRR, and we actually have the Davidson's owner all the way from Miami up here to talk to you guys about the IMS, the MRR suspension, and everything that they have for these vehicles. We actually just installed a Davidson's MRR kit on this brand new kind of Alucab rebuild that we did on our Tacoma. And we also installed power brakes. This is the X-Line kit, brand new released 17-inch kit for these vehicles. And we actually have DeLon from Power Brake here, ready to talk to you guys about everything about power brakes. They've got the X-Line, the M-Line, and the D-Line kits available, priced for your budgets. DeLon's here, he's happy to talk to everybody. We've got James from Yokohama as well to talk to you about Yokohama tires. And what better to talk about tires than the RT Truck AT37, which we did put those Yokohama ATXDs on quite recently. So really excited to have this truck here. Come check it out, it's super cool. And then we have an array of other awesome builds, customer builds that KRAVE has done over the last couple of years, last couple of months on display here. This truck here, brand new TRD Pro, getting a camper installed next week. We've got the Trails for Tomorrow booth here as well, where we're going to be doing a silent auction, giving back to the community, giving back to the trails that we enjoy out here in Alberta. Keeping going with the Alucab builds here, we have the first mod cap that we actually installed right here. We have Randy. He's set up, ready to go, kind of ready to show you guys what's going on. And then we have the most recent mod cap on display here. This is a really nice build, guys. It's super simple, nothing crazy. And I think what it actually showcases is that you don't need to build the craziest, wildest truck to get out and adventure and have a good time. We've done a full walk around on this truck, but just to recap, mod cap with the 2-person tent, the GP Thatcher propane, the fireplace inside, and the full fart systems as well. Nice simple setup that's just got everything you need to kind of pack it out. Rob's showing exactly how we kind of envision it. Space for a stove, space for an extra propane tank, just kind of all the stuff that you actually need to bring on these builds. And this one's actually got a seat delete on it as well, with the fridge in the back seat. Looking really good. I actually haven't seen it with the fridge back there, so it's looking really sweet. Brand new to Alberta, we actually have a 4-wheel campers dealer, which we're really excited because we love their products. We actually have it on our own Tundra, and so we've got Ralph's Ram here. We've done the AEV conversion on the front of it, and it's got obviously a Summit Expedition Trucks tray on the back and the Hawk camper from 4-wheel campers. So Aubrey from Gear for Overland is the new 4-wheel campers dealer in Alberta. He's here, he's ready to kind of show you guys and talk to you guys about these awesome products. We're a big fan, obviously, so do reach out to us if you guys are in the market for a 4-wheel camper. We can work with Aubrey and Gear for Overland to get you guys set up to get your full truck built out. And then obviously we've got our 4-wheel camper on our Tundra here as well. It's got a full fart systems in it. It's been working really well over the last 3 years for us, and it's just an awesome setup. So in case you guys don't know, I am the president of Trails for Tomorrow. We are an organization in Alberta that basically advocates for sustainable trail use in the Alberta trail systems, mostly within the Palouse, but all throughout the entire province. And basically what we do is we're a volunteer organization that goes out there, we do trail cleanups, we do organized trail runs, and we get people out there volunteering on the trails to just kind of maintain these trails that we all enjoy and to make sure that they are there tomorrow for us to all continue to enjoy. So as part of that, the last couple of years we've been doing a silent auction to raise funds for the organization to kind of help us with our management, getting out there, providing tools, equipment out on the trail cleanup days or on the trail maintenance days. Just a really nice way to give back to the community and give back to those trails that we all enjoy. Continuing on, we actually have Lucas here from Nord Tailgates. We have it on our shop Tundra as well. So what these are, they're Canadian made tailgate inserts, removes all those kind of bumps that makes your knees hurt and you can't even put a cup down on it. So Lucas is all the way out from Manitoba right now. Really nice to have him out here to come support KRAVE on this event. And yeah, just come check out these sweet tailgate inserts. Since we've already been talking about all these awesome Summit Expedition trucks, we have 3 Tacomas on display. We've got 3 of, I think, some of the nicest built 3rd gen Tacomas out there. And starting with this one all the way from Utah, we have Steve and Joseph's Tacoma that is primarily built for hunting and overlanding, and we just did some awesome upgrades on it. So we actually just put portals on this truck, 74 weld. This is our second portal build in basically the last month. So we're super excited about that partnership with 74 weld. I think that this might be the newest, greatest thing, and I think we're gonna see a lot more of these. I could not believe how nicely this truck drove. So 37-inch Yokohama Geolanders on here, the portals, and we actually also supercharged this with a Magnuson. We did a custom tune, and we put an 85mm URD pulley on that to make sure that those tires turn nicely. And with the gear reduction within the portals, I could not believe how nicely this drove. I think for the US freeways, where there's a lot of higher speeds, that roughly 480 gear ratio is gonna be absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is just a really cool build. It's got a kind of a unique Summit Expedition Trucks tray on it. It's got a 6-foot deck with a smaller 3-foot canopy in there. It's basically just enough room to put all your gear and then have the back end open for whatever else you need when you're out there hunting. Next up, we've got Mass Tacoma here. It's also got a Summit Expedition Trucks tray. It has a canopy, but it's not on right now, and I think that really showcases the versatility of these setups. It allows you to actually get out and do some work with it and put that canopy back on to go overlanding, do whatever you want within really minutes. It's 4 bolts, puts that canopy back on, a couple of legs, and away you go. So really nice truck. Matt's been working on this for a couple of years. Got some fresh tires on it, Yokohama of course. And then we have my Tacoma here, the Geo Ute. It's got a unique canopy and tray setup as well. I went really short on this. I put a 5-foot tray with a 4-foot canopy on this to basically get this truck as short as I can for wheeling. I've had it off. I've done a lot of trail work with Trails for Tomorrow. And this truck is supercharged, double locked, as well as long travel. So we've got a custom Elka setup on this. I'm really happy with it. It's driving great. And of course, we've got an Intrepid Camp Gear tent on here. Yeah, just an awesome tent. Works really, really well for this kind of setup. Look who just rolled up. Greg rolled up. We've got the Portal 4Runner here. Super stoked on this build. This is probably one of the biggest builds we've ever done on a 4Runner. It's got absolutely everything. We just did a 74 weld portal kit on it. It's on 37s. It's got power brakes. The only thing it really needs is a supercharger, but it's got the full C4 lineup on it as well. So we've got front and rear bumpers on it, ready for overlanding. It's got an Intrepid tent on it. It's ready to go. I don't think there's really anything it needs other than that supercharger I mentioned. 37-inch Yokohama G003s. It's just a cool truck. And then check this out, guys. We've got a 79 series Land Cruiser all the way from Dubai. It's a 2010 Land Cruiser with a 2024 freshly rebuilt body on it. Super unique, super rare in Canada, of course. And we're gonna be doing a full build on this truck in the next coming months. It's gonna get full AirB kind of suite of everything. So front bumper, side armor, sliders, what have you, full MT64 suspension as well. Looking really forward to that build, so stay tuned for that. So obviously we've got a lot of really cool trucks here. We've got a lot of people just showing up. It's just after 10 o'clock. We actually have the KRAVE food truck here. We don't own it. It's not an association, but it's spelled the exact same way. The KRAVE food truck's here. Free food today for anybody that registers a rig. So, I mean, really, I don't know why you wouldn't be coming out here today. And then, yeah, let's just take a walk down. We've got some really, really cool rigs here. One thing we haven't talked about yet is we've got Brendan. He's been a staple, pretty much parked in the spot every year. He's got his Beaverville trailer out here. It's got an iCamper tent on it. It's got a DLX, super nice. And we actually didn't talk about this, but speaking about iCamper, they just came out with their new 4.0 SkyCamp series, and we have a trio which is actually on sale for Trails for Tomorrow as part of that silent auction. And I think that's a pretty cool prize for anybody to be able to walk away with and get a really, really good deal on that tent. Checking out the other end of the show here, we've got this F450 with a full OEV build out on it. It's absolutely cool. So Nigel was able to bring this out here for us to see this absolutely monstrosity of a vehicle, ready for basically anything you can throw at it. Pretty much live in that thing, so it's really, really cool. And then we have this build right here. It's still a bit of a work in progress. We're calling this the Panama build. This truck is going to be going all the way down to Panama when we're done with it. It's got the Alicab mod cap on it already. We've got Dominic's MR suspension on it. Done a bunch of crazy like kind of hot water setups on this because it's got to be able to be on the road for a long time. So that's really, really cool. And then kind of checking out over here, we have this full AV conversions on this Ram for Alfonso that we did last year. And I mean, it's just a really cool truck. Kind of check that out. And then last truck on display here is our KRAVE Tacoma. A lot of people might know that we actually sold this truck. Well, it's back. We just, you know, we wanted it back. It's back. And it's almost better than ever. It's got the crawler box installed on it now. It's got the full long travel setup on it, and it's got one of those new iCamper 4.0 tents on it as well. So come check it out in the shop if you're interested in one of those tents. We have one on display on this vehicle. We got a couple of guys here. They're really flexing on everybody. So we've got JT's 4Runner. It's a 2011, I believe, on Dobinson's IMS suspension. Absolutely crazy that this thing can flex out that much on a parking block. I wasn't expecting it, so well, there you have it. And then we have Natalie's 3rd gen 4Runner. She brought her 4Runner, full SAS on it. It's got a Dobinson setup on it as well, and obviously tons of flex. And then we have Milos's brand new TDI swap 4Runner here on display as well. So it's really cool. It's got a 2.0 Passat motor in it. He's been working all winter on this, and he's pretty proud of having this thing finally ready to go, and we're stoked for him. It's looking pretty sweet. And then just stepping back here, we have Reese here from Raptor Rentals. These guys are Calgary based, and they actually have these awesome trucks for rent. So if you are new to overlanding, you don't really know what this is all about, come check these guys out, because they actually have a Alucab mod cab with a family camper on it on this Raptor Ranger, which you can check out. Or they've got a Raptor Bronco here with a iCamper on it as well. So really cool, unique way to get into overlanding if you're not sure what you like, what kind of vehicle, kind of setup you want. Maybe you want to just see what a mod cab's all about. Really nice way to get into one of those units. Take it up to tuck, take it anywhere you really want. These guys are ready to rent it for you, so check out Raptor Rentals. In the showroom here, guys, so we have our front end staff. They're here getting everybody registered for the event. We've got some amazing trophies, 3D printed by Alex from Automotive. Really, really cool. So come down, register your vehicle, and actually get a chance to win one of these, and we've got some really cool prizes too. Showroom's open. We're not quoting today, but all these guys are ready to talk to you about the vehicles that we have on display, your own vehicle, what you guys want to do about it. So it's just like a nice way to kind of get into the shop and see what is going on here if you have never been here. We have got a couple of cool builds that's currently in progress. This is a build that we've been working on for a while. Same owner as that Tacoma that we talked about earlier. And this is gonna be his hunting Tundra. So this is a really unique truck. This is a Eastern US truck only. It's a TRD off-road capstone, 6.5 foot long box. What we have done on it is we're fitting 37-inch Yokohama tires. It's got Stealth Custom Series FA16 wheels on it. We've outfitted it with Dobbin suspension MRRs, and we've got power brakes going on this as well. We've done a full Stealth matte wrap on this with proper PPF. The front end's getting a C4 front bumper, it's getting lighting. We've got a few more Baja lights coming in. We've actually got the Squadron 2.0s going on this truck. It's got a Sherpa roof rack. And then of course, it's also got that Summit Expedition Trucks tray and canopy. So the idea here, guys, is it's got a 8-foot tray and then a 4-foot canopy, basically splitting it down the middle, enough room for all your gear. There's gonna be a fridge in here, all that stuff. And then the back end is gonna be ready for your spare tires and all kinds of other gear that you might wanna carry while hunting. So really, really unique build. It's cool. It's gonna be here for a little while longer. It's not gonna be very fast getting this done. We're working on the dual battery setups in the back seat. So yeah, just a really cool truck to kind of check out. And then a few other trucks in the shop as well, but this is kind of our showcase build right now. Last up on the shop tour, guys, we have the KRAVE Open House garage sales. So basically what this is all about is we've got some brand new and used parts for sale. We got some great deals. Like we've got the skid plate package off my Tacoma, full steel skid plates, front, centers, everything that you might need for a skid plate package. We've got some really good other deals. We've got some takeoff tires, some lighting, whatever. So yeah, we like to do this every year with our open house to just kind of clear out some of that stuff that kind of stacks up throughout the year. So a lot of people ask like, well, what is it that you guys like really do? And I think what we do is we specialize in bringing products in that people need for these vehicles. Let's face it, most of these things come from the US. People go on these websites like C4 Fabrication, they check it out and they're like, well, I don't know how much it's gonna cost. Like, how much is it gonna actually cost to ship this thing, broker this thing, and get it into the country? Well, we'll take care of all of that for you. We have our website, KRAVEautomotive.ca, and if you go on there, it's got Canadian pricing on absolutely everything. You know exactly what you're gonna pay. There's no hidden fees, there's no hidden anything once you've paid that dollars in Canadian dollars. And so that's where we kind of help you, and that's what we can do for you. And then obviously that goes into our builds as well. Everything that we quote is in Canadian dollars, so we can get you that C4 front bumper, get you basically all that shipping, brokerage charges, all of that taken care of, and just make it easier for you to actually buy it. We've got tons of Elka suspension, Dobinson suspension, C4 fabrication, Baja lights, just to name a couple of things in stock. We've got Stealth Custom Series wheels. It's one of our boutique brands. We actually just became a full Method dealer as well. So we've got Method wheels currently shipping here. We're gonna have a full display of those. So yeah, let's help you get that build going. And I think this warehouse is basically the heart of KRAVE. This is where everything that we basically put on these trucks every single day it gets stored. And it's just it's kind of a cool spot. That's a wrap, guys. We had an amazing day. We had face painting, we had balloon animals, we had Trails for Tomorrow, silent auction. We had it all. We had amazing trucks on display. We appreciate all of our amazing customers for coming out and showcasing and supporting our business. It was a really good day. So we're heading out camping. We'll see you on the next one.